And now your 13 News Now weather forecast, certified most accurate in Hampton Roads.
Well, how many of you woke up this morning or maybe even later in the morning saw a little bit of snow flurry activity? That's just setting the stage for what we think is coming here in another 48 hours or so. Again, it's going to be pretty light, but what we had this morning was a result of a weak little disturbance coming through. The one coming through on Tuesday night, Wednesday, is a little bit stronger than the one we had this morning. So more on that in a second. For this evening, though, a lot of clouds. Looks like it might try to precipitate, but really not much of a chance of that. Dropping to near 30 or maybe some low 30s about 8 o'clock. Right near the coastline. Inland areas will be dropping into the upper 20s, a little bit of a light northerly breeze. Right now, most spots in the 30s. You can see there's an exception, 42 down in Hertford. Last time I checked, Williamsburg was showing abnormally high readings. They often do, but not so much in the winter as in the summer. But this is definitely, you can see, an aberration compared to everybody else. So definitely chilly out there. Not as cold as yesterday. Temperatures up 7, 8, 9, even 10, 11, 12 degrees once you get down into North Carolina. So we have this weak system offshore. Northerly flow around it is going to keep us fairly cloudy tonight. Keep those temperatures cold, as we said, although not as cold as we've seen at times lately. Certainly, we've had a lot of teens over the past couple of weeks. Tonight, only 20s for the colder areas. Once we get into tomorrow, I think we're going to keep the clouds. If we get lucky, we'll get a little bit of sunshine. I don't think that's the most likely scenario, so we're going to still say mostly cloudy, but temperatures back up above 40 tomorrow. That's a little low what that is showing. It's going to be above 40, and that will be more moderate. But here comes the next system, more powerful than the one this morning, but nowhere nearly as powerful as the one a week or two ago. So it's going to come in a little bit of a mix maybe briefly at the beginning, especially in North Carolina, but some light snow showers are likely. Temperatures then staying rather cool. How much we're going to get, I will show you literally in just about 30 seconds here. Actually, let's do it less than that. I'm thinking trace to an inch. So just a dusting, maybe up to an inch in a few locations, assuming the storm doesn't get offshore and intensify. If that happens, we would have to up the amounts right near the coastline. Best chance with these fast-moving systems is typically a bit more inland. Fairly low amounts out there. But remember, even around here, if we get a half an inch on the roads and we get some of that ice, we've had some of our worst messes in terms of the cars and the trucks and everything during rush hour, even only getting a half an inch of snow, believe it or not. Those of you who've been around here for a while know that I'm telling the truth. Tonight, 29, mostly cloudy, a little colder for the inland areas. Tomorrow, 45, still mostly cloudy, not as cold as today. Slight chance of a shower, mainly North Carolina. Some flurries possible by late tomorrow night, and then only 33 for the high. Wednesday, cloudy, cold, light snow is likely. Northerly winds at 10 to 20 miles per hour and possibly a minor accumulation. And then look at the warm up. 41 Thursday, 50 Friday, mid 50s Saturday, 60 Sunday, low 60s on Monday.